Hey guys, how's it going? How to monetize your Instagram account. So first of all, go ahead and click your profile icon at the bottom right. Okay, then basically click the professional dashboard right here. Basically click the settings gear at the top right, and you're gonna be able to see an option to switch account type. You can switch it to personal account and business account. Make sure that you switch your account from personal to business account, so you're gonna follow along the steps, right? And then you're gonna be able to go ahead. Let me click my profile again, right? Then basically what you're gonna do next, after you swipe to a professional account, you're gonna just go ahead and click the three bars at the top right here, right? Or you can just go ahead to the professional mode and get back to it again, and then you're gonna see the monetization status, right? And basically you're gonna be able to see that you are able to monetize on Instagram, right? And then just now all you gotta do is add your payment method, right? And add payment right here, and start adding your payment method, and start promoting your business. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.